Hello and welcome to Quedio, a place where we deliver quality tech videos. So the Amazon guy just came in and guess what? He delivered us the new Yureka. So let's unbox it. Okay, so guys, before unboxing, let's have a look at the specs of the phone once. The phone packs in a 1.5 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 615 on a 64-bit architecture. The GPU of the phone is an Adreno 405, plus the phone has a 2 GB of RAM with 16 GB inbuilt memory. The phone also supports a 13 megapixel camera on the back and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. The phone comes with a 2500 mAh battery plus a 4G LTE modem built in the processor. So guys, here's the box of the Yureka. So the phone did also come with a back panel which according to company costs around 1000 rupees. So come, let's unbox it. This is the box, guys. It's the recycled cardboard. So let's get into the seal. Okay, so let's get into the phone. So here's the new Yureka, guys. Here's the phone. Let's keep it aside for a second and have a look at the inbox accessories. So this is, I don't know, a moisture absorber or something. So these are all the warranty guides, the information, user manual, basically the stuff that no one actually looks for. So let's keep this aside for right now. And we also get a screen protector in here, guys. It's really nice for the price. I mean, we are also getting a back panel and a screen guard with the box. So let's also keep this. Let's have a look what else do we have in here. So here's the USB cable, the basic USB cable of the phone. So here's the cable. It's pretty decent quality, I guess. So let's get further into it. And here's our wall charger. Nice Indian pin wall charger with a LED built in here. So let's see what else we have in the box. We also have... Okay, we also have a pair of headphones, guys. And these are actually the in-ear type headphones with the U logo on them. So it's really nice. I mean, the price they're offering these stuff, it's really great. Let's see what else we are left with. So here's the battery, our big 2500 mAh battery. So let's just, here's the battery, you see it's actually quite huge. Samsung actually fits in a 300 mAh battery of this size. So let's power on the device. So guys, here's the new Yureka. So you see it says it has a octa-core GPU with an endless support of customization plus a 13 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. So here's the back. It's really nice. The moon dust finish, it looks really great. Here's the 13 megapixel camera with the U branding in here. Here we have our volume jack, a headphone jack, a power button. There's the nice feel to it. Here's the speaker grill for the phone. So let's just remove this I hope you get a really nice sound and a feel. So it was really very nice. So let's just move in the battery. Actually there is no opening vent, so I guess I'll have to pull it up from this charging point. Okay, so we also have a moisture absorber in here, so they have actually pretty good protection for this. Let's just put in this battery. I hope it actually has some juice. Currently I'm going to use it without a SIM card. So let's power it on. Okay, so guys, here's the setup. We are on the setup screen. So let's select English, United States. Okay, so here we are guys, we have the welcome screen in here, so let's click OK, and it's actually teaching us about the CyanogenMod OS which we have in here. So here's the phone guys. The phone is actually pretty snappy, the screen looks really sharp, the phone is actually running pretty smooth. It's really smooth guys. Let's launch the camera app real soon. So here's the camera app. Yes, and here's the nice camera app that we have. So actually I have to plug it in for some juice. So I hope you guys like the video and do subscribe us, plus stay tuned for the complete review video for this phone. Thank you.